guys, so today I'm saying about my personal experience in hostel life. मेरी हॉस्टल लाइफ कैसी चल रही है, क्या चल रहा है, मैं आपको सब कुछ बताऊंगी. जब मैं पहली बार फर्स्ट आई केम टू दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, फर्स्ट थिंग आई टेल माई सेल्फ दैट स्वाति यू नीड टू एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स, स्वाति यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस, you have to learn this, you have to implement this. And I'm just came so much excited, and I'm literally, it's been a 1 month and the same excitement I have now. And I can say that the excitement is even more than that. In these days I found that I'm not good at dance. I am not good at public speaking, I'm not good at studies that much, but three things I have to balance it. I need to balance this, and I have to be good in it, not best, good. Be good in everything, but don't try to be perfect in everything. I'm telling myself every day. Because if I try to be perfect in everything, then I messed with my mind. I messed up with my inner peace, my mental health, and everything. So I just tell myself, Swati, you do whatever you wanted to. Just I wanted to dance. I went for the dance classes, and literally I found out that I'm so bad at hip hop dance, and even the Western dance that they are doing the like dances on that viral songs. I'm so bad at dance. I found that, and it's shocking for me, but not that shocked because I never learned dance before. So I tell myself, Swati, see, if you want to achieve this, you have to be consistent in it. You have to learn it. You're not born as a perfect dancer, and nobody born as a perfect dancer or perfect one. So they have to balance, they have to make them like that. They are not perfect. So it's need, everyone need to become perfect. Everyone need to learn about these things and about the videos. Not always judging yourself again and again and saying, Swati, you can't do it. Just give it a try. What if you fail? What if you pass? What if you pass? So it's, if some, you are seeking validation from other one, you are seeking validation from that people. If that people say I am good, then I am good. Why? Is that person is so good in his career or in her career? Maybe it's yes, but your life is yours. If they are on the lesson 19, you are in the lesson 17, or you may be lesson at 9, means you have to climb the stairs. The stairs are left to climb. So just be normal, just be chill. Just eat if you want to eat, if you want to dance. If someone is judging you, she is everywhere, she is attention seeker. Yes, I am. Just accept yourself, because people always judge you when you want to grow up, or when you want to explore things, when you are talking to other people always judge you. That's their insecurity, because they can't do that. That's why they are judging you. So be normal in life. Be just be excited. Bring excitement to your life every day, and try to know yourself. Try to know your beginnings, endings, everything, because you are rare and you are precious. So you have to learn how to deal with those problems, and if they are judging you, just be silent and just give them answer by your actions.